We call it M12 FDDX. In layman, it's the first ever Milwaukee insulation drill with interchangeable heads. To turn on the drill, simply press the lock button until the light came off. To let the drill go anti-clockwise, click the button again. Tilt from 1 to 2. You will get more power. For safety measure, click on the lock button for a few seconds until the light came out. These are clutches numbers, available from 2 to 16. Bigger clutches number for bigger screws, smaller clutches number for smaller screws. To install the offset, just simply slide the bits in and then let the teeth do its jobs. Simply pull the collar and then slide it in. To dismantle the offset, pull the collar and the bits. Same procedure as the offset, slide the bits into the 1/4-inch hex. This is the star of the day, the right angle. Difficult or impossible angle, this is a lifesaver. It can turn up to 12 ways, which makes it possible to tackle any difficult spot. This is metal chuck, the only head for drilling. The right angle actually is not just a head for screwing bits, but it also acts as an interconnection for other heads. To use, simply tuck in the battery and you are good to go.
Rapid fire. Rapid fire.
The drill itself is cordless, which means you can drill and screw everywhere, anytime, without having any cable dangling or extension needed. To charge, green light means fully charged, red light means empty. Milwaukee toolbox is big, but the design itself doesn't allow more tools to fit it in, comparing with a standard toolbox. Secondly, it's a bare tool. It doesn't come with any M12 battery. It's meant to be a second tool for existing Milwaukee user, provided they have the right voltage battery. Most likely you have to buy a charger and a new battery additionally for the first buy. It costs 1,000+ ringgit. It's not cheap, but it can certainly get the job done. Imagine a same scenario but having the same drill with extension or cable dangling around. It will certainly affect the workmanship, especially within a confined space. That is why this tool is a game changer. Is it value for money? Nobody knows, but it will definitely put a smile on your face. For more info, click the link below. See you next time.